The Insta360 X6 may have just leaked in the most unexpected way possible, because someone actually managed to buy one before the official launch. Yes, you heard that right. A camera retailer in Bucharest, Romania, reportedly sold a retail unit of the Insta360 X6 by mistake, giving us one of our clearest looks yet at the upcoming 360 camera. The buyer later shared photos of the camera and its retail packaging on Reddit. Interestingly, they couldn't actually use the camera because the current Insta360 app doesn't recognize the X6 yet. That's not really surprising though, because app support is usually added around the time a new camera officially launches. Still, the fact that a production unit is already sitting in someone's hands strongly suggests that the official launch is now extremely close. And these leaked photos are giving us much more than just a look at the camera itself. We can now see the final retail box, included accessories, and even the production version of the Insta360 X6. According to the latest information, the embargo could be lifted on August 10th. If that date is accurate, Insta360 could officially announce the X6 sometime between August 10th and August 14th. So we may only be a few days away from finally seeing everything officially confirmed. The retail package also gives us a better idea of what buyers can expect inside the box. It reportedly includes the Insta360 X6, a 114cm invisible selfie stick, a protective pouch, a USB-C charging cable, and a silicone lens cap. There's also a quick start guide that reveals some interesting details about the camera. One of the biggest confirmations is water resistance. According to the guide, the Insta360 X6 can reportedly go underwater up to 20 meters, or around 65 feet, without needing additional housing. And if you want to go even deeper, an optional invisible dive case can reportedly extend that rating to an impressive 60 meters, or about 197 feet. The Quick Start Guide also gives us a glimpse at the camera's controls and setup process. It shows USB-C charging, basic recording controls, power button functions, and swipe gestures for quickly switching between different shooting modes. Now, when it comes to the specifications, the retail packaging appears to match several details from earlier leaks, making those previous reports look even more believable. The box highlights 8K 360-degree video recording, up to 140 minutes of recording time at 8K, replaceable lens 2.0 technology, and a pure video mode designed to improve low-light performance. Of course, we're still missing some important details, including the complete specifications, pricing, and official launch information. But with a real retail unit already out in the wild, it feels like the wait is almost over. The Insta360 X6 could be just days away from its official debut, and if more leaks appear before launch, we'll keep you updated. Turning to the back of the retail box, we finally get a complete look at what's included inside the Essentials bundle. Along with the Insta360 X6 itself, buyers appear to receive an extra extreme battery, a 114cm invisible selfie stick, a charging case, USB-C cable, lens cap, protective pouch, cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide. Interestingly, the packaging also mentions an extended warranty, hinting that Insta360 may include an additional year of protection with this bundle. Another exciting part of the leak comes from several real-world comparison photos. When placed beside the Insta360 X5, the design changes become much easier to notice. Instead of simply making the camera thinner, Insta360 appears to have redesigned the body to be shorter and more compact, while still keeping its large dual lenses. That means better portability without sacrificing image quality, making the X6 easier to slip into a pocket or carry on everyday adventures. Another comparison shows the X6 sitting next to a GoPro-style 360 camera, and the size difference is immediately noticeable. The X6 looks significantly smaller, while still maintaining its premium dual-lens design, showing just how far compact 360 camera technology has evolved. Perhaps the most exciting discovery is the camera interface shown on the front of the packaging. It appears to display 8K at 50 frames per second, something we've never seen before on an Insta360 camera. If this turns out to be real, users could enjoy much smoother footage along with high-quality slow-motion playback while maintaining stunning 8K resolution. That would represent one of the biggest performance upgrades over the X5's current 8K 30 frames per second limit. Finally, there's pricing. One leak suggests the standard Insta360 X6 could launch at around €689, while the Essentials bundle may cost approximately €789. That's about a €100 increase over the previous generation, but considering the larger battery, improved recording time, redesigned body, and potential 8K 50 frames per second recording, many users may find the upgrade worthwhile. While Insta360 has yet to officially confirm these details, this is easily one of the most convincing leaks we've seen so far. If you're deciding between the Insta360 X6, Insta360 X5, and Insta360 X4, understanding the differences is essential before making your purchase. While the Insta360 X4 remains a solid performer and the X5 introduced meaningful upgrades, the upcoming Insta360 X6 is expected to bring the biggest improvements yet. With a rumored larger sensor, faster 8K recording, better color depth, and improved battery life, the X6 could become the new king of consumer 360 cameras. The Insta360 X4 uses a 1/2-inch sensor, which already delivers detailed and vibrant 360 footage. The X5 improved on this with a larger 1.28-inch sensor, offering noticeably better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. However, the upcoming Insta360 X6 is rumored to feature a massive 1-inch sensor. This would be a huge leap for a consumer 360 camera, allowing it to capture much more light and produce cleaner images with lower noise. Whether you're filming at night, indoors, or during sunrise and sunset, the X6 is expected to deliver a significant improvement in image quality. Looking at the lens specifications, the Insta360 X4 features a slightly wider f1.9 aperture, while both the X5 and X6 are expected to use an f2.0 aperture. Although the X4 has a small advantage on paper, the much larger sensor inside the X6 should more than compensate for the slightly narrower aperture. Combined with advanced image processing, the X6 is expected to produce brighter, sharper, and more natural-looking footage in almost every situation. Video recording is another area where the upcoming X6 is expected to stand out. The Insta360 X4 and X5 both support 8K 360-degree recording at up to 30 frames per second, delivering highly detailed, immersive videos. The rumored X6, however, is expected to increase that to 8K at 50 frames per second. This upgrade means smoother motion, better stabilization during fast movement, and higher quality slow-motion footage. Whether you're recording action sports, travel adventures, or cinematic content, the higher frame rate will make videos look much more fluid and professional. In single lens mode, all three cameras support 4K recording at 60 frames per second, making them suitable as traditional action cameras. While the recording resolution remains the same, the X6's larger sensor and improved AI image processing are expected to produce better colors, stronger dynamic range, and cleaner low-light footage than both the X5 and X4. Photography is equally impressive across the lineup, with all three cameras offering up to 72 megapixel photo resolution. However, megapixels alone don't determine image quality. The larger sensor inside the X6 should capture finer details, preserve highlights more effectively, and reduce image noise, giving photographers noticeably better results, especially in difficult lighting conditions. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the X6 is 10-bit color recording. Both the X5 and X4 are limited to 8-bit color, which works perfectly for casual shooting and social media uploads. The X6's 10-bit color is expected to capture billions of color shades, resulting in smoother gradients, richer colors, and much greater flexibility during color grading. For professional creators and filmmakers, this feature alone could make the X6 the clear winner. Performance is also expected to improve thanks to the triple-chip AI engine. While the X4 and X5 already feature triple-chip processing, the upgraded AI engine in the X6 is rumored to provide faster image processing, improved stabilization, better HDR performance, and more advanced noise reduction. Even though all three cameras maintain a maximum video bitrate of 200 megabits per second, the improved processor should help the X6 deliver cleaner and more refined footage. Battery life continues to improve with each generation. The Insta360 X4 comes with a 2,290 mAh battery, while the X5 increases capacity to 2,400 mAh. The upcoming X6 is rumored to feature a larger 2,550 mAh battery, allowing creators to shoot longer without constantly swapping batteries. Despite the larger battery and bigger sensor, the X6 is expected to weigh only 206 grams, just slightly heavier than the X5 at 200 grams and the X4 at 203 grams, making it just as portable for travel and outdoor adventures. The Insta360 X4 remains a great choice for beginners, while the X5 offers better image quality and battery life. The upcoming Insta360 X6, with rumored 1-inch sensor, 8K 50 frames per second, 10-bit color, AI upgrades, and improved waterproofing, could become the most powerful consumer 360 camera yet. Although the X6 hasn't been officially announced yet, multiple reliable leaks have revealed its design, recording capabilities, and expected pricing. So, which camera looks like the better buy? Let's compare the specs, features, price, and overall value. Starting with video quality, both cameras are expected to offer impressive 8K 360-degree recording. DJI Osmo 360 officially supports native 8K recording and uses dual 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensors, designed to capture more light while delivering excellent low-light performance. It also supports 4K at up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion action footage, 120 megapixels 360 photos, and 10-bit D-Log-M color for professional color grading. The leaked Insta360 X6 is expected to match DJI with dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and upgraded 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second, a noticeable improvement over the previous generation. Leaks also suggest improved AI processing, faster performance, a larger battery, and a more compact body despite the upgraded hardware. When it comes to design, DJI has taken a different approach with a premium metal body, magnetic quick-release mounting system, and seamless integration with its growing Osmo accessory ecosystem. The Osmo 360 is built for creators who already use DJI products, like DJI mic transmitters and Osmo action accessories. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X6 appears to focus on portability. Leaked marketing images show a slightly shorter and slimmer body with redesigned buttons, a refreshed interface, and an improved cooling system. If the leaks are accurate, the X6 should feel more comfortable for everyday travel and extended handheld shooting. Price could become one of the biggest deciding factors. DJI launched the Osmo 360 at around €479.99, making it one of the most competitively priced premium 360 cameras available. In contrast, leaked retailer listings suggest the Insta360 X6 may launch at approximately €689, making it significantly more expensive.